In this session, we will learn how to set the page formattings. First, select Page Layout tab, and here we can see number of options in different types of groups. When we click on this option, then we can see predefined margins. It is the top margin, left margin, right margin, and this is the bottom margin. We can't write any text in that area, and we can set inches for the margin with the help of predefined margins and custom margins. For example, if we select white, then left and right margins will increase. Now I am selecting normal margin. In customs margin, we can set inches for the top, bottom, left and right margins. For example, I am giving 2 inches, 1.5 inches and click on OK button. Now the margins will change according to our settings. Again, I am giving normal settings for the top and bottom margins. Next option is orientation, and it has options like portrait and landscape. It will shows in vertical form, and this option will shows in horizontal and wide. Now we are in portrait option. If we select landscape option, then it will shows like this, and it will increases wideness. Now I am selecting portrait. Next one is paper size. We can select these options according to the which type of information is placed in the paper and in which paper we have to take printout. A3 is the large size paper, A4 is the normal size and A5 is the small size. Like this we can select paper size. With the help of this option, we can set the paper in column wise. For example, I am selecting 2 columns. This is the first column and this is the second column. First, we have to complete this column, and then the cursor will move to second column. And if we complete second column, then it will move to first column in second page. Like this, we can set single column or 3 column, etc. Now I am selecting single column. Next, we can give page breaks and section breaks. Already we have 2 pages, and if we want another page, then select page break. Now we can see third page, and it has page break between 2 pages. Now we are in third page. If we want a new section, then we have to select section break. Now the new section starts from here onwards. With the help of this option, we can set a group of papers as a section. If we want to give numbers for the text, then we have to select line number option. And this option is used to restart the numbers in each page. For example, again the numbers are restarted in second page. Now I am selecting none. Next option is hyphenation. This option is used to show the word continuity in next line. Now I am selecting automatic. For example, here we can see the word complete is divided into two parts and it shows hyphen between the two parts. Like this, we can set automatic hyphenation. With the help of this option, we can set watermark for the paper. Here we can see some predefined watermarks. For example, I am selecting this one. Now we can see watermark confidential in the background. Like this, we can also set custom watermark. Now I am selecting this option. Here we have to specify the text which is shown as a watermark and click on apply. Now we can see Edusoft as a watermark. If you want to remove that watermark, then we have to select the option remove watermark. With the help of this option, we can set different types of colors for the pages. And we can also set borders around the page. Here we have to select border type and we can also apply different types of fonts. Now we can see the border for this page. If we did not want to set the border, then we have to select none. In Insert tab, we can also select cover page and blank page options. For example, I am closing this document and select a new document by pressing Ctrl N. Here we can see some predefined cover pages. Now I am selecting this one and we have to type the text according to the instructions which is given here. With the help of this option, we can add blank page for this document. These options are used to set header and footer for the page. Header will be placed at the top of the page. Here we can see some predefined header styles and these headers will be repeated for all pages. Here we have to type the text. If we give double click here, then header option will be deactivated. And here we can type the text. Again, if we give double click on the top of the page, then header will be activated. If you want to insert date and time in the header, then select this option. In same way, we can also select footer. Here we can see some predefined footer styles. When we take printouts, then the text in header and footer will also print. With the help of this option, we can set page numbers at the top or bottom of the page in different positions, either in left side or center or right side. And we can see page numbers in all pages. Like this, we can set page formattings.